When people first meet with me, I put them at ease right away. I tell them who I am. I help them understand who I am so that they come in with really hard questions, really hard issues that they don't want to open up necessarily, but they eventually do open up so that I can help them through their problem. I'm very non-judgmental. I'm not going to shame anybody for making the choices and the decisions that they make. I'm not going to judge them. And they tell me their story, and I don't judge. I know everybody has a past, everybody has a life, everybody's made mistakes. We can all be knuckleheads from time to time. And as a result, people are willing to listen. I'm very compassionate, I don't judge. And that helps them open up to their circumstances and their situation. The more honest a person is with me, the better I can help them through their situation. I'm very direct. I can be very blunt. It's not judgmental. It's just to help them through their case. I had a young man meet with me yesterday. He's had drug problems. He's had domestic violence problems. This is him. And I basically had to explain to him, we're going to have to rehabilitate you, but you have to do the following. You have to get some counseling. You have to get some help. If you want to have access to your children, you need to show that you are a better person. You need to be a safe person for those children. And I do that for the women as well. When they're dealing with that, I let them know we can protect these children to a certain extent. We can make sure they're not abused, or can make sure they're in a situation where the children see their parents in a controlled environment so that it's safe for them. And the judge ultimately decides, but the reality is we can control some of these things, we can guide these things, we can make things happen so that kids can be safe, so that spouses are safe. Parents can be cats and dogs. They do fight, and there's sometimes a victim, there's sometimes not a victim. Sometimes it's just both cats and dogs. But the reality is we can help separate that. We can help focus. And I don't get emotional with the person. If I did that, I'd fail as a lawyer. I'm above the emotional fray, and I can help them through that circumstance and still have compassion.